Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ambitious Josain. Today I am going to tell you how to make the travel brochure for the state Punjab. So, Punjab. Punjab, a state bordering Pakistan, is the heart of Indian Sikh community. The city Amritsar founders years 1570s by Sikh Guru Ram Das is the site of Harmandir Sahib. The Sikh palace of worship. Basically, Punjab is a land of five rivers. It was almost one of the most ancient civilizations in the world. The five rivers of Punjab are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. Culture and tradition of Punjab. Punjabi celebrated cultural, seasonal, and religious festivals, which include Moga Mela, Chirangah in Lahore, Lori, Holi, Baisakhi, Diwali, Tiyan, Dashera, and Guru Nanak Jayanti. Its diversity and uniqueness is evident in Punjab poverty, philosophy, spirituality, education, artistry, music, cuisine, science, technology, military warfare, architecture, traditional value, history. So, Punjab is basically famous for Bhangra, Gidda, Malwai Gidda, Boliyan, Tappe. These are some famous things for Punjab. So, have you ever heard any tappe or boliyan? If yes, then it's good. But if no, then you can read some of their art on screen. Like tappe, chitta kukar bane rete, kashni dupatte waliye, munda sad gaya tere te. It's tappe and boliyan is like gade gadi de wal ya katak holi holi tod. मेरी हिलने करा दिया वालियाँ मेरे दिल विच बंदा होल मेरा माही गढ़वा में गढ़े वे दी डोर. These are the example of boliyan. So famous food of Punjab. Basically one of the most famous is sarson da saag te makke di roti, then Amritsari kulcha, chole te bhature, pinni te stuffed parathas. You can see the picture are here on your screen. In lassi is also one of the most famous thing of Punjab. Major cities of Punjab: Abhor, Amritsar, Barnala, Bhatinda, Faridkot, Fazilka, Firozpur, Gurdaspur, Jalandhar, Kapurthala, Ludhiana, Malot, Moga, Muktsar, Pathankot, Patiala, Sangrur. These are some major cities. Places to visit in Punjab are some following. Firstly, the most important Golden Temple in Amritsar. Golden Temple, known as the Harmandir Sahib, is the most important religious place for Sikh and also the main attraction in Amritsar, which literally means the tank of nectar of immorality. The temple of Gurudwara is symbol for equality and brotherhood. The temple welcomes everybody irrespective of race or caste. More than and 1 lakh people visit this place every day and take part in the free meal langar and community kitchen. Golden Temple represent the heritage and the rich history of the Sikhs. Wagah border, the second of the most important place to visit in Punjab. The Atari Wagah border is a crossing between India and Pakistan that is known for its beating retreat ceremony, which is held each evening as border closes. Visit at the end of the day to see the guards from both the side march in elaborate military costumes and face off across. Maharaja Ranjit Singh War Memorial. Maharaja Ranjit Singh War Memorial, a tribute to the gallant soldiers of Punjab, is located about 5 kilometers from Ludhiana railway station on GT Road, Ludhiana Amritsar Highway. Instituted in year 1999, the museum comprises of the History Gallery, War Heroes Gallery, Uniform Gallery, Air Force Gallery, and a Navy Gallery, Signals and Medical Groups Gallery, Kargil Gallery, and an audio-visual theatre. The light and the sound shows is yet another attraction in the museum. This show related the story of independence struggle of India and the role played by Punjabis in it. Did you seen the movie Sher? The Sher movie is on Vikram Batra. Vikram Batra is also from Punjab. He played a very important role in Kargil. So that you can, by this you can understand that how Punjabi struggle in the independence, and till now they are also struggling very much for India. Rock Garden, Amritsar, an enormous innovative park space spread out like a maze that is unlike any you even ever seen, offering something unique to visitor at every turn and made out of recycled waste transformed into eye-catching structures. This garden will change the way you define art, from curly rain waterfalls, libertine formation, huge swings, hilarious millers to sculptures made of scrap and waste material like glass bottle bangles, tiles, chemical pots, strings, and wires. You will find something to keep you hooked to this place, whichever direction you turn your head to. And if you haven't ever visited this gem of the place in Chandigarh, this small guide will surely compel you to. Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh markers, also known as Amritsar markers, took place on 13 April 1919. A large place, a large but a peaceful crowd had gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, Punjab, to protest against the arrest of pro-Indian independence leader Dr. Saifuddin and Dr. Satyapal. In response to the public gathering, the British Brigadier General R.E.H. Dyer surrounded the Bagh with his soldiers. The Jallianwala Bagh could only be existed on one side, as its other three sides were enclosed by buildings. After blocking the exit with his troops, he ordered them to shoot at the crowd, continuing firing even as the protesters tried to flee. The troops kept firing until their emotions has been exhausted. At least 1,000 people were killed. Over 1,200 other people were injured, to whom 192 were seriously injured. In Jallianwala Bagh, 13 April, basically 13 April is celebrated as the Baisakhi, and in Jallianwala Bagh also some people are there for celebrating Baisakhi Eid, so they also killed in this markers. Pushp Gujral Science City, Kapurthala, a joint project of Indian central government and Punjab government. This place was built to invite enthusiasts to explore the various fields of life like science, agriculture, technology, engineering, human evolution, and many more. Sheesh Mahal, Patiala. The Patiala structure was constructed by Maharaja Narendra Singh, a Jat ruler of Patiala, 1846 to 1858, to give a space to artistry poets and scholars who regularly visited his court. Today, Sheesh Mahal has been converted into a museum that holds a remarkable collection of art and sculptures. Bhagra Nangal Dam, Roopnagar. Bhagra Nangal Dam You have listened about this. It is a very famous dam. Bhakra Dam is a concrete gravity dam across the Satluj River. Is near the border between Punjab and Himachal in northern India. The dam, located at a Gauri near the upstream Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal, which is about 13 km upstream from the Nangal township, is Asia, and Bhakra Nangal Dam is one of the second tallest dam of Asia, is about 225.55 meter, 740 feet high, next to the 261-meter TD Dam, also in India. Its reservoir, known as the Gobind Sagar, stores up to 9.34 billion cubic meter of water. The 90-kilometer long reservoir created by Bhakra Dam is spread over an area of 168.35 kilometers squares. In terms of storage of water, it is the second largest reservoir in India. Nangal Dam is another downstream of Bhakra Dam. Sometimes both the dams together are called Bhakra Nangal Dam. Thought they are two separate dams. Philor Fort. Philor is a town and a municipal council as well as a tehsil in Jalandhar district in the Indian state of Punjab. Philor is a railway junction on the borderline of Ludhiana, Jalandhar cantonment, or we can say Jalandhar. It was a junction of Lohani and Firozpur. In pre-partition days, it was the main timber market of Punjab region. It is situated on the bank of river Satluj. In Sanskrit we can say Stratundru, one of the 7 rivers of Sindhu river system. The timber cut the higher region of Shivalik range was thrown into the river Satluj and then collected at Philor for further transportation. The dedicated railway line survives to this day but is not functional. The town stands on the highway of traditional Grand Trunk Road, which is known as Sher Shah Suri Marg, now National Highway number 1. The actual GT road passes through Philor. The older part of actual GT road still survive along the railway bridges which crosses over to Ludhiana. Fazilka, India-Pakistan border. Fazilka is one of the Indian-Pakistan and is 11 kilometers off the international border with Pakistan. It is situated on the rice-growing and the cotton-rich belt of the state and is one of the major rice exporting center in India. Before partition, the town was the biggest wool market in undivided Punjab. Aswal War Memorial, Fazilka. Just 7 kilometers away from Fazilka town on National Highway number 10, now 7. Aswalwal, Shaheedon ki Samadhi, a scarred memorial and a war museum in the remembrance of the martyrs of 1971, was between Indo-Pak and managed by Shaheedon ki Samadhi Committee Aswalwal, with the cooperating of Civil Army Administration. It is an historical place to visit. If you come to Fazilka, you can come and pay refunds towards all the martyrs who had sacrifices their lives to defend Fazilka from Pakistan aggression. Hussaini border, Firozpur. Just 1 kilometer on the Indian side, visitors can see memorial of Shahid Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and 3 heroic martyrs of the Indian freedom struggle. Our trip to Indo-Pak border would be more interesting after knowing the host retreats ceremony every day at 6 p.m. in the evening. So basically, Punjab is a wonderful state for spending holidays. You must visit Punjab once. When you meet Punjabis people, you will definitely enjoy it. So at last, I want to say thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then turn white thumb to blue, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel Ambitious Josain. Okay, so thank you everyone. Stay safe, if stay at home. Bye bye. Till then, do like, share, and comment to my channel Ambitious Josain. Have a good day to everyone.